Hey guys, it's Lengi. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my own aloe vera lotion. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the aloe vera plant using a scissors. The aloe vera has just turned red because it was too exposed to the sun, so don't panic, it will go back to its normal color once I store it in the fridge. So I'm just gonna cut the aloe vera. I'm not gonna peel off the skin because the gel is already coming out, so I'm gonna use the aloe vera plants. After draining the oil, I'm going to let it sit in a cool, dry place for a day. I've just washed my face. Now I'm going to apply the aloe vera. It looks like Vaseline, but I call it a lotion. It's very good for the skin. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a heart on the comment section down below, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.